Hi guys, I'm Britt Jr., driver of the number 17 Unitronic Audi RS3 LMS. We're here at Road Atlanta for the Fox Factory 120. We're here with Audi Atlanta, part of the Jim Ellis dealership group, and I'm here to give you a car tour of our race car. It's a 2-liter single turbo inline 4 front wheel drive based on TCR spec. It still has street car roots. The chassis itself is the A3/RS3 chassis. All these race cars are built in Germany as part of Audi Sport Customer Racing. Big modifications would be, the most obvious part is how wide the car is. It's very wide, approximately 6 inches on each side. It pulls a lot more air underneath the car and also pulls more over the car. In essence, just creating more downforce. Still has an OEM door handle, however inside it is much different, as you can see. You can see is how far back we sit. Lots of buttons on the steering wheel as well. Most common one is obviously the radio button. We have 3 different diff maps that we can load through. Only 2 pedals. There is a clutch, however it's a DSG transmission straight out of the street car, which again gives a lot of props to what Audi puts out on the street. And then moving to the back side, you can see big rear wing, fully adjustable depending on what we need on track. The coolest part, I think, is looking straight on from the back. You get a really strong perspective of just how wide the car is. It is unbelievably extended on both ends of it. There's a little tour of our race car. We're going green flag at 1:25 p.m. Eastern Time today for the Fox Factory 120 and rolling off a pole. So we'll see how it goes. Thanks.